Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Tesla. What is going on with Tesla? Tesla has been up over like 52% in the past month. So we're going to be going ahead looking at the chart and seeing really what's going on with the company. Now, I honestly had probably one of my best swing trades that I've ever had with Tesla. I bought in right after the Cybertruck release, and honestly, there's no stopping it. It's almost $600 in price. Crazy returns, guys. So we're going to be talking about everything with this company, what's going on, my overall opinions on it, and why really it's worth more than Ford and GM combined. We're going to be talking about everything in the video here, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now, the very first thing you guys got to do, smash the like button. I think I got you. And if I did, go ahead, leave a like down below. We are doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to enter, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, and you guys will be entered. So we're going to be going ahead, pulling to the computer here, and you guys can see everything here shortly. So don't forget about that giveaway. Alrighty guys, we are up and loaded here on the Moomoo trading platform. So if you guys want to get a free stock just by signing up, there's going to be a link down below. You guys can get a stock literally for free just by signing up with Moomoo. So that'll be the top link most likely down below. But all right, let's talk about Tesla. So first, let's look at some of the analysis here. Then we're going to be going ahead looking at the financials, the income statement, and then some overall support, resistance, and where I think the stock is going to go. All right, so looking at the stock, you guys can see it is down a little bit right now in the post market, but in the previous close, it was up, just over, 0.46%. So not a huge move today, but look at this past, month or so. Crazy move, a couple crazy moves. Even this one was a big move. But so the low for the stock was $555.60, but the 52-week low was $176. So if you guys would have bought in, at the 52-week low, so the lowest it's been the past year, you would have times 4 your money right now. So the highest historical high here is $594.50. So literally that was just the other day, and the historical low was $14.98 all the way back here in 2010. Crazy, guys. If you guys would have bought in, if you guys did buy in, congratulations, you guys are literally killing it. But the volume is roughly 19.6 million, so a ton of people are buying and selling this stock. Now, a lot of institutions really just started buying the stock. That is one of the main reasons why we had this huge push up. But let's go ahead and look at some of the news here. We can go ahead and look at it. So you guys can see Tesla has been killing it with news. Literally almost every day, they're releasing some sort of news, and that is pushing the price up. So you guys can see top 5 solar energy stocks to shine in 2020. Tesla's in there. If you guys can go ahead, you guys can see majority of these are good ones. So you guys can see that is a fundamental catalyst, and that is pushing that stock price up each and every day. So moving on here, we're going to go ahead and look at the income statement, because as you guys see, all right, I just want to show you guys something real quick. Actually, let's look at this first. Let's look at this first, and then we can go ahead and see. So you guys can see the total revenue was $6.3 billion. And then these are just each quarter. So if you guys want to go ahead and screenshot it, you guys can do that too. This is one of the main reasons why I love Moomoo trading platform, is because they literally allow you to go ahead and look at the income statement. So you guys can see the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow sheet. So you guys can see where they put some of their money. You know what I mean? It's really cool. The shareholders' equity. So you guys can see executives own roughly 21%, other investors 14%, and institutions just recently is at 65. So total number of shares held is 180.24 million shares, and 28% of these institutions are in funds. So it's a pretty cool thing here. But one of the reasons why I didn't want to look at the income statement is because I wanted to make it simple for you guys. So as you guys can see, the same day that the stock squeezed up, we had this earnings report. This was in the post market. The revenue obviously was that $6.3 billion. The EPS was 1.86. The expected growth was 2.28. So really what this means is the earnings report killed it. So what this did is this got a lot of traders and a lot of investors involved just because they released good earnings. So that pushed the stock price up and literally killed it. Now, obviously, this hit some recent resistance lines. That's one of the main reasons why we got some sell-off. And then they released some more news, and it's been no signs of stopping it. So when people say resistant breakouts don't work, they do. You just got to understand how to do it. So what I did is I bought in all the way, honestly, down here. One of the main reasons why I bought in down here is for a couple of reasons. Where I have it circled here is right where Elon, the CEO, released the Cybertruck. I love the Cybertruck, so the very next day, I went out and bought a ton of shares of this stock. And obviously, within the next couple of weeks, we had this huge buying pressure. I think it was within the next 2 weeks. We had this huge buying pressure. Boom, killed it. Coming up in contact with recent resistance, there's two options you can go about it. If you guys think that it's hit its max value, which I didn't, I added more shares to it. The stock continued to surge up and has been killing it lately. So obviously, where do I see the stock right now? I do think I am a huge Elon Musk fan and a huge Tesla fan. But do I think it's overvalued? It's hard to say. One of the main reasons why I think it's hard to say is because, okay, if you look at Ford and GM, right now, Tesla is valued more than Ford and GM combined. Now, the reason why that is because stocks are valued at where the company is going, not where it's been. So obviously, Ford and GM have killed it in the past. But where are they going now? Tesla released the new Cybertruck. People hated it. But hey, it got good PR. It was a good marketing tactic. It literally killed it. It separated them from any other truck. Because if you wanted to, if Tesla wanted to come out with, let's say, a Ford looking F-150 type electric car, people would have just waited for Fords to come out. But Tesla came out, killed it with their marketing department, killed it with the render. I love the truck, and I have $100, whatever you call it, refundable deposit. If I don't, end up getting it, I can get that $100 back. But I ordered it, guys. So I'm a huge Elon Musk fan, but obviously right now I think it's about time for a little pullback. I think we'll find some support here at roughly the 500 mark, just because that's like a nice whole number, and a lot of traders will kind of tend to buy in at that. Also, looking at the RSI here, so this is the relative strength index. So this tells you really where how strong the stock is and pretty much if it's overvalued or not. Just to put it in perspective here. So as you guys see, when it hit here, right up here, we had sell off. Boom, sell off. It came in contact with it again. We had some consolidation, hit it again, sell off. So pretty much almost any time, we have sell off when it goes, too high. So I think we're about time for a little sell off. It's expected because what goes up comes down, and hopefully you just don't want it to come down a lot. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, drop a subscribe.